Now, Peg, I simply cannot understand how hard it is to upload a video other than the facts. Now, if you want to upload a video in which, you know, is it going to cost you money, piss in your Cheerios, you know, I don't care about that stuff. I got plenty of money, but I don't even care if any of this shit makes it to anything. I left you a tribute. I've left you multiple messages and responses. I noticed on your channel there ain't a lot of people trying to copy you. So, unless you want copycats out there, ooh, look at that. Unless you want copycats, people that got things like this greasy old four-wheeler ain't no joke. But if you want people that'll fucking start copying you, go ahead. Start neglecting us, asshole. No, I'm just kidding, but, you know, well, creepers and jacks. Frigid motherfucking temps. Now, when you stand around on the roof and jack off, you might jizz on someone's head. So there's an outlaw against people jacking off on the roof. But you know what? I don't even care. I don't care about people outlawing me. Into my motherfucking freezer. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Imagine the damage you could do to someone's butthole with that motherfucker. Or that motherfucker right there on the ground. Oh, shit! Fuck, don't sand off my bunghole. Woo! No, I'm kidding. Kidding. That was a bit of an exaggeration, but you know what? I got things. An F550. Greasy old F550, okay? This motherfucker right here. The old 7.3. Okay. Wielding dual batteries. Uh-oh. Oh, no! You slap that bastard on, and guess what happens? The old fucker starts jumping out of its skin. Okay? Let's see what happens when you start a greasy old 7.3. Now, regardless of whatever happens, okay? We catch fire. I won't be real with you. I kind of hope it does. Bam. Flash, flash. Gotta wait for everything to do its thing. It didn't do nothing. Whatever that fucking sign there means. Greasy. Seven three. Holy fuck, look at the smoke! Oh, look at the smoke! Yeah! Well, that's what happens when you fire up a greasy old 7.3 diesel in a shop. Don't do it. Fucking got a bad taste in my mouth from that fucker. But anywho, so I love everybody. I love all you guys. I love all my subscribers. The like 3 that I have. And you know what? I just smoked up half a shop in 2 seconds. Let's open this big ass garage door and see what happens. Upsie daisy. Holy fuck, the old fucking goddamn rope almost took me for a ride. You can see the motherfucking smoke just rolling out of this bitch. Out it goes. Anywho, please like and subscribe and suck my wiener on Patreon and do everything else on Patreon and tell me what you think. Okay? I love everyone. Bless your sweet little boners. Keep pissing out your ass.